the dance of a deeper explanation. Zen and Precepts. What if I told you that Zen precepts, the vows not to kill, steal, lie, or get wasted, are actually the moral equivalent of Ikea Zen furniture? Flat-packed, easily digestible, and spiritually designed for the lazy, or the naive, or the slow, either student or teacher. Yeah, we just said it. But hold up. Before you throw out your vows and order chaos on Amazon, listen up. The fact is that in modern Zen circles, precepts are marketed like enlightenment starter kits. Want clarity? Just grab a screwdriver and follow these 10 rules. Meta? Step 3. Insert peg A into ethical groove, B. But here's the reality. Even in those Zen lineages that advocate them, precepts are not the path. They're training wheels. They're scaffolding. They're temporary illusions made to be inevitably burned down. And Zen lights the match. This isn't about being edgy or rebellious. Zen doesn't ultimately reject precepts because it loves mischief. It rejects formulas because it loves reality. And reality doesn't come with a 10-step program or laminated checklist. The whole point of Zen is to break every mental habit that thinks, if I just do X, I'll reach Y. That kind of thinking, that's precisely what keeps you from seeing clearly in the first place. Here's where the notion of precepts gets uncomfortable. The idea that ethical behavior generates spiritual clarity, that's spiritual superstition. And clinging to it turns precepts into a kind of metaphysical accounting system. Behave well, earn merit, achieve awakening. But Zen doesn't work like karma coupons. Awakening happens when the whole system collapses, including your ideas of good and bad. Don't misunderstand. This isn't a loophole for sociopaths. The awakened mind doesn't lie, steal, or kill. Not because it follows a rule book, but because in the deepest view, there's no separate other to lie to, nothing to steal, no one to harm. It acts ethically because it sees clearly, not because it's checking boxes. Bodhidharma didn't hand Huike a spreadsheet of moral dos and don'ts. Joshu didn't blurt out moo because he was worried about spiritual HR violations. They acted from the center of clarity, not code compliance. Precepts are skillful means, training tools, crutches, but they're not the legs. The point of Zen isn't to become a better rule follower. It's to become no one at all. No self. No other. No formula. No path. Just direct, unmediated seeing, unmediated being. So yeah, maybe you need Ikea Zen for now. So maybe you are lazy, or naive, or slow, or maybe your teacher is and your options are limited. Maybe you need the box, the screws, the fake wood grain ethics, That's fine. But know this. Zen only hands you the instructions, so you can eventually throw them away. And when you do, you don't get a better chair. You realize that there was never a you to sit, or a chair to sit in.